kinds of tech and coding stuff on YouTube to make programming fun and accessible for all. I am Tejas Nikhar and I'm gonna be leading this Node.js series. So before jumping into this series, I hope you guys have a basic understanding of JavaScript. Well, even if you are new to JavaScript, you can still watch this series, but we are coming up with the basic JavaScript tutorial series soon to set you up with the basics. So what is Node.js? Well, Node.js is basically a browser runtime for JavaScript to execute JavaScript programs on your device without the need of browser console. Thus, you can run JavaScript programs right on your device. And as you know the drill, before starting to learn any technology, you need to have it on your device. So we are going to provide you with the steps of getting Node.js in your system. Most of the tutorials on YouTube would ask you to install Node.js from nodejs.org. Well, there is nothing wrong with installing from here, but what we are gonna do is something flexible. We are going to install NVM. So what is NVM, you ask? NVM or Node Version Manager is a simple bash script to install and manage different versions of Node on your computer. Basically, NVM allows you to install and switch between different versions of Node with ease. This will help you to save a significant amount of time when you need to change Node versions on the go. So, after installation, we need to make sure that the environment variables are set, because sometimes when you install NVM, environment variables are not even set after it's on the device, which may lead to errors like node command not found. So what you can do, click on this new button and then a pop-up will appear. You have to copy the variable name and the value here. So variable name goes here, nvm home, and then the second value and your name goes here. And you just have to click on OK after that. You need to add the second link also, and done. After you are done with the installation, you can check the list of Node versions installed using NVM by running the command nvm ls. Since it's your first time, it's going to show no installation recognized. You can check the list of available Node versions by running the command nvm list available. You can install any Node version using nvm install and switch out between different versions of Node using the command nvm use. Installing NVM on Linux is super easy. First, we need to get all the updates. Later, we need to grab curl and C++ compiler. And then we need to get the curl script, paste it in our terminal, and then restart our PC. So this is it for today, guys. Hope you find it useful. We are gonna be bringing many such tutorials for you ahead, so don't forget to subscribe us. See you soon in our next video.